Hello guys.
Welcome to the channel. So today is another video for you guys. We are here at the farm. Yes, where we are going to my grandparents' old house, rice farm here.
Yeah, we are going there and already the family, some of them are already there waiting. So we are going there.
Just to explore the area
Yeah.
and we want to
Take
film.
you to the nature and show you a little bit around of the place. And so yeah, it's gonna be simple one and greeny, much and lot of greeny area.
And fresh air
yeah,
here.
it's very hot, but when you are under the shade like this, it's really wow. Really nice. So now we are about to go where, Mahal?
We are going to my grandparents' old house. This is the way.
Yeah.
So it's a bit, it's greeny here because full of trees and also grass. So you can walk with this small pot here.
Yeah.
Yes. And it's so fresh. Even
Really?
it's so sunny, but it's fresh because there's a lot of trees. So come on, let's go.
And also we're gonna show you also the nature, and it's really refreshing here with all these greeny things. Wow, it's really nice.
And there are houses here, but not really, near to each other.
Okay, they are separate from each other. So anyway, very soon we're at grandma's house. And hello. They are swimming, yeah. let's go. Here are they. The family was already here. Hello. We are going to cut another banana tree down.
Yay. Yeah, that one. It's okay.
It's huge.
Oh.
Wow. How many pieces? 80?
Wow. There's another banana pa, ma. Diyan na Eden. Oo. Ay, kaya tayan. Kadakot.
So here you have it, guys. If you enjoyed today's vlog,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And drop your comment down in the section below.
And see you on the next one.
Alis ka muna dyan, Beth.
You don't need umbrella.
I need umbrella.
Going home with a huge banana.
I have a lot of bananas.
So very soon we will be like a monkey.
Hindi ka naman sa likod.
You want me to hold that?